Your niche, your defaults. How fluent coaches carry a tight set of trusted tools for the clients they actually see most often. Here's a pattern in coaches who feel fluent. They don't carry 400 tools in their head. They carry a tight set of trusted defaults for the clients they actually see. And they reach to the library for the exceptions. That tight set is what makes fluency possible in a real session. When you're not searching your whole library in real time, your attention stays where it belongs, on the client. The structural choice was already made. This video is about building that tight set, your niche layer. A default is a starting point, chosen on purpose for your most common client situation. Not a script, not a rule. A first move that's earned its place on your map through pattern and judgment. What a default is not: a ceiling. When the moment says something different, you read it and adjust. The default tells you where to start. Hold presence tells you when to depart. The library covers what defaults can't. Defaults cover the everyday. That's the right division of labor. You already have raw material. The Module 5 scenario chains, life coaching, career, executive, ADHD, were built specifically to give you templates to learn from. Not scripts to copy, but patterns to recognize. Look across your niche's chains. Which tools appeared most often? Which combinations produced the cleanest handoff? Where one tool's output fed naturally into the next. The repeating combinations are your defaults. Pull the 2 or 3 that show up most, put them in your niche row, and let the rest stay in the library. Consider a career coach working regularly with clients in transition. Across the career scenario chains, 2 tools kept appearing at the start. A career values assessment that surfaces what actually matters to this person, and a career change exploration that tests the gap between where they are and what they named. 2 trusted tools: fast entry for the common case, metadata search ready for the atypical client who needs something different. The specific tools are yours to choose. I'm illustrating the principle. 2 defaults, 1 library. Always read the moment first. Defaults serve fluency. They do not replace reading the moment, and that distinction is worth holding carefully. The risk is treating your defaults as a guarantee. You reach for the career values assessment because you always start there, and you miss that this particular client has already done deep values work and needs clarity, not awareness. The map says opener. The moment says something else. Read the moment first, reach to the default second. In that order, without exception. That check is the whole discipline. Your map now has a niche layer, your 2 or 3 default openers for the client type you see most. That row is your fast start layer, the part that makes you immediately useful when a familiar situation walks in. Post-video task: fill your niche defaults into the map right now, using your most common client type as the reference. First instinct: you'll revise it as your practice teaches you. A map you built is a hypothesis. Let's test it on clients you've never seen.